Indigenous tribe of Meghalaya, the ethnic group Garos or Achak, a hill tribe from Meghalaya, mainly practice the jhum cultivation for their livelihood. Harvest is the main season celebrated by Garo community. The day of celebration is fixed by the village chief called Nokma. The rituals performed in the house of Nokma is called Rugala. After the Rugala ritual is done, the dance performed is called the harvest dance. The harvest dance is a part of Wangala festival which shows the cultivation in the field starting from cultivation till the harvest season. From cultivation to harvest, it takes nearly 10 to 11 months of the year. The Garo celebrates traditional harvest festival in the month of October or November. So here we are presenting the harvest dance or Rugala. The Ochanga harvest dance ko mesoganina. With short and silk is called Nokma. The men and women, young boys and girls take part in this dance. Nokma performing the ritual called Chucheka, filtering the rice beer. Now we can see the women feeding rice beer to their partner. This act is called sowing the millet seed in the field. Dosilka, frightening the birds to prevent from destroying the sown seeds. Planting paddy with the help of pointed wooden stick. Frightening Dokruswa. Dokruswa. Imitating the birds. The birds are coming hunting for the ripened crops. So this is the imitation of the bird pecking. Miswa. After collecting rice, they are now pounding the rice or processing the rice in traditional style. Mikola. Mikola, Michua, Mikiroka. Picking up the pounded rice for winnowing and separating from the husks in traditional style. Finishing all the work and house chores activities, they are now coming home, taking bath, washing clothes and drying clothes. Females are now exiting by drinking rice beer.